materials that we need to make our hummingbird feeder, first of all, is we need a hummingbird feeder. And that would be this that we put together, and it's red because it attracts the hummingbirds. We also need some water. If we're going to make a hummingbird feeder nectar, we need 4 cups of water to 1 cup of sugar. Pour it into, first before you pour it in, you need to boil it. Pour it into a mixing bowl when it's boiled, hot, and you take the sugar and you mix it in and blend it. You let it sit for at least an hour so it cools down. You then take it, because this is what I have already prepared, you take this mixture of the water and the sugar and you pour it into the feeder. Let me just, little problem opening this. Okay. Now take this and pour it in. And place this over it. So it's sealed, and there's little holes that look like little flowers here, so that the hummingbird can then come along and drink the nectar from it. The important thing about this is to make sure that when you fill it up, that it's clean. Before you put the boiling water with the sugar in it, you have to make sure this is very, very clean, and you have to keep it clean and change it every 4 to 6 days. What you can use is some vinegar and water to clean out all of the contamination that might have come from sitting there. If you decide to do this, you could start the end of April, beginning of May. But remember, the most important thing is to keep it clean and safe for the hummingbird, because we want to help it to survive. This is what a hummingbird would look like. And we know that it's very, very small. It weighs less than a nickel. It's very tiny. And it can fly up to 25 miles an hour, and it has a wing beat of 60 to 80 times per second. They hover over flowers with nectar, and they drink sugar water. You can also, if you like, you can plant your own plants, which would be tubular shaped, like daylilies, impatiens, and petunias, or any other annuals that you think would be very colorful to attract them. So I hope that you decide to take care of and help our hummingbirds to have a wonderful summer this summer, and you can enjoy seeing them from your window indoors.